Let me show you how to scan your computer for viruses when your antivirus is not working, disabled, or if you just don't have one. This website allows you to download a virus-infected file for testing purposes. Once you do this, there's no way back. You were warned. As stated on this official website, you download these files at your own risk. And of course, as any downloadable virus, you have several options to choose from. I am currently using Microsoft Edge with Windows 11 and the built-in Windows Defender is active. Watch what happens when I download the zip version of this file. The first level of protection is Microsoft Edge itself. As you can see here, the file has been blocked. If you click here, you have the choice to keep this file. In a final warning, I am requested to verify and am choosing to keep it anyway. Now, once the file was actually downloaded and saved in my Downloads folder, Windows Defender interferes and blocks the file. When I click this message, the Windows Security interface opens and shows me additional details on this virus, as you can see here. Now, here comes the interesting part. I am going to disable the real-time protection by clicking Manage Settings and switching it off. Remember, this is for demonstration purposes only. Switching this off when you don't have an alternative antivirus leaves your computer vulnerable. As you can see here and here, I am warned about the protection being off. Now, let's see what happens when I download this file while my protection is off. Microsoft Edge still blocks the file but allows me to keep it, just like before. But this time, after I choose to keep the file, it is downloaded and saved in my Downloads folder. When I open the file, I can see its location here and its contents here.
Please subscribe.
Let's recap what we have so far. The computer doesn't have an active antivirus software and has a virus in a zip file located in the Downloads folder. If you find yourself in a similar situation, here's what you can do. When you open this website, the link is in the video description below, you are presented with several options. Choose this to scan your computer. Once the file download is complete, click here to run it. This is a simple but efficient scanning application. Uncheck this if you don't want to include your home network in the scan, and click Settings to see additional available options. Since the Quick Scan doesn't include the Downloads folder, for this demonstration, I'm choosing to scan the Users folder by clicking Custom Scan and only checking that folder. You can either choose that, or a quick, or even a full scan. Click OK to proceed. Now, I know you're never supposed to click the big red button, but in this case, it's okay. So go ahead and click that big red button to start the scan. The time it takes for the scan to complete depends on your previous choice. A quick scan will be, well, quick. And a full scan might take some time to complete. In my case, the scan took a bit more than 2 minutes, and as you can see here, it identified the virus. It displays its location, name, and risk level. It also allows you to choose an action. As you can see here, the infected file is still in the Downloads folder. Clicking the Fix button removes the infected file and the computer is clean again. Note that this tool is free and doesn't have an installation. It only has the one executable file in the Downloads folder. If you ever need to scan again, you can always go to this website and download the latest version of this scanner. Keep your computer safe and don't play with viruses.